Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix messenger notes not showing in Android. So let's begin our video. First of all, what you need to do, you just need to open your phone settings. Right now scroll down and select apps. Right now select manage apps, and you just need to find out messenger. Here you can see I just open it. Right now on the bottom right corner there have option clear data. Select it and select clear cache and OK. Right now open here you can see app permission. Open it. Right now you just need to allowed all permission. Right now I just location allow only while using this app. You just need to also allow everything, every other option you just need to allow it, like contact, nearby device, phone, everything you just need to allow it. So after doing that, you just need to open Play Store and make sure your messenger application is up to date. So after doing that, I hope your problem will solve. Then you can easily find the note option on your messenger. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.